Hey, are you looking for new construction homes or looking to move to Northeast Florida? Well, today we're going to be looking at the Richmond American, the Agate model. This floor plan comes 3 to 4 bedroom home, 2 to 3 bath home, a 2-car garage, and it's approximately 2,070 square feet. Let's go take a look. As we walk in, please notice the brick accent on the bottom of the home. Hardy board siding. All right, let's go take a look. So upon entrance, you'll notice a really long hallway, which is nice. And then immediately here to our right, we have 2 bedrooms with a bath in between. Bathroom. We have vinyl-like flooring on the floor throughout the first floor, except in this bedroom. Okay, and then here you can take a look at this other bedroom. All right, now as we make our way down the hallway, we'll find really nice office space here.
This is really nice. Like the open space here.
Yeah,
this is
it's
like,
almost unexpected. Here's, it could be like a drop zone, like a mudroom.
I think that's exactly what it is, because this is the garage here. So here's your garage. You come through, or even if you come through your main door, obviously. Okay, and then immediately you have a drop zone here. And then your office. Let me look at the office. Is there a closet back there where you could put your coats and stuff? Not that you're gonna need them here in Florida.
To answer your question, that's not a closet. This is a closet. In the laundry. As we move past this office space, look at this very well open layout with this well-appointed kitchen featuring a center island and a nice pantry. So obviously, the dining room, the living room.
All right, you want to go to the...
Yeah, let's go this way. And then this is the master suite. Lots of nice natural light through all these windows.
Yeah, that's nice. Got 4 big windows.
And then we have a really nice double sink bathroom.
I like these tiles.
Yeah, the pattern's nice.
big closet in here too. Additional space there.
Little nook back
Little
there.
nook, yeah, little nook back there.
All right, let's go take a look outside. All right, so here you'll have sliding doors to enter the patio. It's a great extended covered patio.
This is really nice. It's another good space to entertain people, you know?
Yeah.
Really, really open space. Nice.
If you like this home or are interested in others like it, do not hesitate to send us a message. Our contact information is in the description box down below. I'm Carolina Ortega, along with my amazing husband, Emmanuel Ortega. Would love to hear from you. See you on the next one.